Welcome. This meditation invites you to connect with an exile part, a vulnerable part of you that holds painful emotions, memories, or wounds. Together, we will create a safe space to do this, and we will work at your own pace. At any point, if it feels too intense, gently return to your breath. Your breath is a direct way of regulating your nervous system, a way of letting it know that you are safe. If you breathe long and slow, it knows you're safe. Because if you were running away from a lion, it would be impossible to breathe this way. Remember, you are in control of this journey. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Take deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow each breath to bring more relaxation, more ease into your body. Bring your attention inward. Focus on your inner world. Imagine yourself in a safe, peaceful place, a space where you feel grounded and calm. It might be a meadow, a forest, or a theater, even your lounge or bedroom. In this space, gently open up to any parts of you that may feel vulnerable or hidden. In IFS, we refer to these parts as exiles. They are parts of us that carry pain, often from past experiences. If an exile begins to emerge, notice how it presents itself. It might show up as an image, a sensation, an emotion, or even a memory. Take a moment to observe without judgment. Notice if it feels young, tender, or carries any particular emotions. Once you sense this part, begin to speak to it internally with gentleness. You might say to yourself, "I see you. I'm here." Take a moment to ask it if it feels comfortable being here with you. Remember, it's okay if the part isn't ready. If it needs time, you can honor that and let it know you'll be here when it feels safe to talk. If the part feels open to connecting, begin to ask it gentle questions. You might ask, "How old are you? Is there anything you want me to know? Be patient and allow the answers to emerge without forcing them. Listen with compassion. This part of you may be holding pain or memories that feel intense. Remind the part that it's not alone now, that you, as the self, are here to support it. As you listen, you might also sense that other parts of you are reacting to this exile. Perhaps they want to keep you from feeling the exile's pain. Notice any of these protective parts with gratitude. Let them know that their role is valued and that right now, you're here to talk to the exile. You might say, "Please, can you step aside so that I can talk to the exile for a moment?" Go back to the exile and ask it how it feels about opening up to you. If it feels safe, offer a sense of compassion to this exile part. Imagine yourself holding it gently or simply surrounding it with warm, supportive energy. Let it know that it no longer has to carry this burden alone. Ask the exile, "Is there anything else you want me to know?" What do you think about what it has said? Why not let the exile know this? Ask the exile an important question. Is there anything I can do to help you? Perhaps it wants acknowledgement for its hard work. Perhaps it wants to talk to you regularly. Perhaps it wants you to do a specific task. Listen closely to the answer and discuss, together with you, staying in true self. What do you think about all of this? Why not let the exile know? When you and the exile have finished talking to each other, tell it that, moving forward, you'll be checking in and that it doesn't have to hide away. This part has been brave, holding so much for so long, and it's okay now to allow you, the self, to be present with it. How is your exile feeling at the moment? Has there been any shift compared to when you first encountered each other? Take a few more moments with this part. Offer gratitude to it for trusting you enough to show up today. How are you feeling right now? When you're ready, let the exile know that it's okay to rest now, that you'll continue this journey together over time. Gradually bring your attention back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall. Begin to return to your surroundings. Feel the support beneath you, the air around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes as you ground back into the present. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge what you've achieved today. Connecting with a part of yourself that needed to be seen, perhaps for the first time. Remember, this is a process and you can return to it whenever you feel called.